Good morning, first graders. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about social studies, specifically jobs that people do. Remember, I'm sharing my screen so that you can see and hear as you follow along. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're talking about jobs people do. People have many different kinds of jobs. Jobs help families because workers earn money to buy things they need and want. The money workers earn is called income. So usually all your parents have an income because they go to work to make money. All right. You can follow along. Jobs people do. Dentists take care of people's teeth. They fill cavities, repair broken teeth, and teach people how to take care of their teeth and gums. To be a dentist, you have to spend 4 or more years in college. Musicians sing and play musical instruments. To be a musician, you must have a special talent. Musicians often take many years of music lessons and study music in college. Miss Yu is a musician. People who work are human resources. They help others, people, get the things they need and want. So letter carriers, like the mail people, deliver letters and packages to people. Some letter carriers walk many blocks in all kinds of weather. Others drive cars and vans. Look at this picture. What do you think they are? That's right. They're airline pilots, which they fly airplanes. They have to know how to get the plane off the ground, guide it in the air, and land it safely to get the pilot's license. You must go to a special school and pass a difficult test. Let me move it up. I'm sorry. In order to do a job well, you have to perform the task and take care of customers. Servers serve food in restaurants. They have to listen carefully and be polite to customers. How do servers know they've done their job well? Think about it. A long time ago, many children in America had to work to help their families. Some worked on farms, some worked in factories. Factories are places where goods are made. I wonder what these kiddos did. Look here. In Turkey, many children start working on the family farm when they are very young. It is a custom for older kids to learn how to weave Turkish carpets. Selling these goods can help bring money to the family. So reading that, I want you to think of the different jobs we read. We read about the dentist, we read about servers, pilots, postmen that carry letters. Was there anything else? Think if there was anything else. All right. So with that said, I also want you to maybe think about the job that you want to do when you get older. For today's activity, you can choose from one of the 3 activities, okay? Let's go ahead and look at what those are going to be. So, you can send me a video or draw a picture of a job we went over. Remember, we went over the pilot, the dentist, the server, the mail carrier. Or you can complete the writing prompt and you can either send me a video of you saying it, or you can send me a picture of you when you wrote it, okay? So when I grow up, I want my job to be a teacher because I love working with you all, the kids. Okay, if 1 or 2 doesn't sound good, you can complete number 3. All you got to do is write your answer yes or no. So write 1, yes or no, 2, and then whatever your answer is, 3, whatever your answer is, okay? So 1. The money workers earn is called income. Yes or no? Some taxes help pay for community services. Yes or no? Factories are tools that dentists use. Yes or no? People who work are human resources. Yes or no? All right. I can't wait to see what activity that you've completed. Please remember that you can turn it in through messages, Class Dojo, or email, whatever's easier. And if you need help, please call or text me or Class Dojo me, whatever's going to be easier, okay? I miss you guys. Bye.